Okay, so let me introduce to you one more very specific design and rock which is not for sale. Lorry design, as you see, with the eternity star and the cross. This letter T in Armenian, which looks like English S, it means for us God, Derna, there. And imagine like you write your letter G, you'll say God. So there. And this rock, Megerians decided to give as a gift to those who support the recognition of the Armenian genocide. Charles Aznavour, Roman Pope Francis, Garo Palyan, the only Armenian deputy member in Turkish parliament, Aram II, the Western Armenian Catholicus, and this one belongs to George and Amal Clooney. So each one of them have their name and in memory of the 100th anniversary of the Armenian genocide. For now you can touch it, take photos, but later as we arrange the meeting we will give it to them. And just one funny story, one time we had a very smart Italian tourist. When this rock was on the ground, he took a photo next to it and he photoshopped it into his apartment. Wow. And I go in the check-ins on our page, on Megerian Carpet Armenia page, and I'm like, isn't this George Clooney's rock? How is it in his apartment? Then we noticed one of the corners was going above the table. So he didn't Photoshop it very good. And we were like, poof, the rock is there. Yes. And one more very important thing for you. So behind you, everything is our production. You can ask any questions, any prices, but make sure you know the prices are factory price. The directors are here, Rafi Megerian, whom you will meet very soon, the owner of the company. He can also give you a wonderful deal. Thank you for your attention. So here, any questions?